I've spent the last 20 years of my life dedicated to the salon industry. I've seen everything. Now, my passion lies with sharing great content with people all over the world. I'm going to create something very unique where I'm putting two of the best barbers up against each other in a one-on-one competition. This is Head to Head. What is going on, everybody? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and welcome to another episode of Head to Head, where I'm bringing the best local barbers together to battle in a one-on-one competition.
My name's Lex the Great. I've been putting in work for about 20 years. I've been cutting hair since I was 10. I don't play with this. This is my love, this is my passion. I put work in. Some people play with this. I don't play with it. This is my livelihood. I take care of my family like this. I don't play, so that dude better be ready, because I'm ready to put that work in. I ain't playing with y'all. Y'all gonna see. Y'all really gonna see what I'm talking about. Straight up. Y'all gonna see what I'm talking about.
My name's Pedro. I've been a barber for like about 13 years, maybe 12, 13 years right now. I'm just ready to show my work to a whole bunch of people right now. That's it.
All right, everyone, the barbers are ready to go, and there is some serious competition today. Let's not wait any longer. Let's get started.
I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm ready to go. Like, lights, camera, action, I'm ready. So let's get it. Ain't no talking now. Ain't no talking. Clipper over comb, get ready.
I'm ready. I have 12 years of training, so just let the experience do the talking, man. I'm ready to go.
My uncle, he used to cut my hair when I was young. But I mean, he wasn't the best barber. He used to just give me bowl cuts. He used to try to do his best. My mom used to give me bowl cuts. And I just got to the point where I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna start cutting hair on my own. My grandfather bought me a pair of clippers and a comb. So you're gonna see this clipper over comb work. Y'all gonna really see this work. I promise you this, I promise you this. And that's how I became. I just became one of those guys where it was just, I really come from nothing. I turned sugar to you already know what.
When I was younger, I got in a lot of scuffs. I'm from like a rough part of the town, Patterson, New Jersey, and I ended up getting in trouble. So my mom, knew that I cut hair. So when she bailed me out, she talked to a salon owner, and I started cutting hair. And from there on, I realized I always had $1 in my pocket. So I just took it from there. I feel like I'm gonna take this. I feel like confident. My model's there. Like, I've worked on him for a long time, so I'm ready to, show my little extra spark to myself and take this competition to me.
How do I feel about this competition? It's no competition. It's no competition. They're the ones I gotta worry about the competition, because I've been ready. I'm amongst the legends. I'm just haven't got my shot yet. Why do I think I'm going to win? It's just something that's in my nature. I've always been competitive. I've always brought my best. So I'm gonna bring my best again. It's what I'm built for. I'm built for this. If I wasn't built for this, I definitely wouldn't be here. And I'm ready to go.
Lex, man, you are not playing. Man, I mean, I've seen some clipper work and some comb work, but you're doing some stuff. You're out of control, man. How you feeling right now?
A little nervous, I could say, but pretty accurate. I'm probably gonna win this.
I'm gonna go maybe throw a little skin tight, low fade, crazy part. Something crazy, something a little flashy, nothing too nice and classy, but I'm gonna give you a nice touch of what I really do. Give you a nice, nice little blurry blend, you know what I'm saying? It's gonna fade into something that you ain't never seen before, so you'll see something nice. You'll definitely see something nice.
I feel like I'm gonna win because just the experience, man. Like as a barber, you're always learning. So 12 years of experience, always learning little tweaks and twerks of the fades and everything. So I feel like I'm gonna bring that home with me and take this competition. Well, I'm a model today. I'm gonna do a skin tight Morocco fade with a faded beard.
All right, just under a few minutes left, and these barbers are pushing it to the max. They're both doing incredible work. I've seen fades before, but these guys are pumping out some incredible fades. So again, it's up to you guys, the viewers, to vote for the winner.
During the cut, I felt a little nervous, like I was doing the fade, and sometimes the fade comes through a process where it doesn't look good at first and then it comes out to looking good. So when it wasn't, I was nervous, but I fought through it and I got done with the fade, and I love the way it came out.
Oh man, I was excited, to be honest with you. I was a little nervous, hands was a little sweaty at the time, but they dried out and I went to work, so it was a piece of cake, piece of cake.
Here is one of my favorite parts of the competition. This is where each barber has their first look at what the other barber did. Let's get the reaction.
Oh man, wow, that's like, rated out of number 4, but the lines were clean, but the blend was a little off. Top was kind of, I don't know, it was a little shaky. But my blends, amazing.
When I looked at the other barber's work, it was all right, but I feel like he did a little too much, designs and everything, it's all cool, but we're grown men, grown men don't go on the streets like that. So you should vote for me because I am traditional barber. I am tight with the fades. I do anything to make you happy because I'm a perfectionist. So come check me out.
I came here for a reason. I came here to win. Friendly competition or not. Like I said, no competition. I am the competition. Vote for me, Lex the Great. Come see me. Evil Face Gentlemen's Club. Shout out to Red Bank, Andrew Evil Sizer, Vic Ramos. We out here. Let's get it.
right, guys, now it's time for you to vote for the winner. So go to my community tab, and you'll see each one of the barbers, their names, and you can simply choose who you think the winner is. Again, they both did an amazing job. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode of Head to Head.